All right, well, hey, thank you. I'm going to do a quick update on Friday afternoon on our Microsoft Azure Stack HCI on the HPE Apollo 4200 solution. And the news here is that we've updated this for our latest hardware platform. But let me first start with the situation. Why is this a big deal right now? We have a lot of customers, probably including folks listening to this, who are in some way moving to the cloud, adopting like Azure-based solutions. In our case, we focus on the Microsoft world. And you can see some stats here from IDC that back that up. But at the same time, we're also seeing that customers are not all moving all their applications and data to the cloud. And there are good reasons for this, regulatory or compliance reasons, or just complexity and cost reasons. And so because of that, companies really do need hybrid IT infrastructure. So something that allows you the benefits of being able to access these services, in this case from the Azure cloud, but also at the same time still providing the familiarity and control of running, really be able to run hands-on, IT resources on-prem. And so that's really what's so good about this solution, Azure Stack HCI on the HPE Apollo 4200. It really is hybrid cloud infrastructure that is really ideal for data-centric workloads. The news on this is, first off, we've updated it for the software. So we're using the Azure Stack HCI, what Microsoft calls 21H2, or what most people call version 2. So it's the latest version of the Azure Stack HCI software that requires registering with Azure, your Azure portal. So it's very much wired with Azure. So it's very cloud connected HCI. What we're doing on the hardware side, we're using the latest version of that Apollo platform. So it's a 4200 Gen 10 Plus. And as you can see in the picture here, it definitely is an even more innovative design than the Gen 10. Engineers really kind of went to town to be able to even pack more capacity in there. Along with that, though, you have the Intel Xeon Scalable, third gen CPUs, so-called Ice Lake. And then we also have more and even faster performing DRAM. As I said, there's more capacity, and also we picked up PMEM support as well as select GPU and FPGA support. All of that still within the same 2U footprint. So once again, really all about folks that are doing the most data-centric workloads on Azure Stack HCI. And if this somehow is not ideal for what you're doing, HPE has a whole host of others. I'm pretty sure we have the broadest line of hyperconverged related solutions. So whether they're from us in the storage business unit or folks in the compute business unit with ProLiants and the edge lines, as well as we have an integrated version of this. So you can get the software on the hardware pre-installed, and that's coming through GreenLake. And you can see a number of other HCI solutions as well. A little bit about this, our technical marketing engineer, Rambo Wang's been busy in the lab. So along with our doing the testing on this for the official validation, we also have one or two labs set up, and he went ahead and set up a cluster and ran SQL Server on that. You can see some stats on that where it's running the VM, the different tools that he used, and started getting some initial results. And one finding, which I thought was interesting, but he actually said really wasn't all that surprising, is the fact that you can get comparable IO performance from that SQL Server workload, whether you're running on all flash or on a hybrid configuration. And that seems to be primarily due to the Azure Stack HCI caching that's going on with that software layer. So you can get the benefits of getting high performance SQL Server on an even more affordable platform by going with hybrid. And the nice thing about the Azure Stack HCI on the Apollo is that the Apollo 4200, you'll see compared to other platforms, is actually has the most different storage media configurations and options for you. So you can go to town and really architect a solution that is really optimal for what you need to do, from that sort of data-centric perspective. So really just to wrap up quickly, as I said, there's going to be a quick video. We've updated our Azure Stack HCI on Apollo 4200 solution. Now have it, we're just finishing the validation on the Gen 10 Plus. So you'll see those configurations populating in Microsoft's catalog, along with the Gen 10 listings that are still there. And what makes it stand out is really all the different choices you have for storage media, and those validated configurations. Bottom line is, if you are looking for a platform for Azure Stack HCI for very data-centric workloads, whether it's like very large email environments, SQL Server, analytics, or video, this is the platform for you. So more information is coming. It's all available online. We have validated solutions in the Microsoft catalog. And you also can go to our solution site here, hpe.com/storage/Microsoft, or check out our daily tweets under hashtag HPEMSData. Thank you very much.